Today we're featuring a 2016 GMC Canyon SLT. It's a four-wheel drive. It's got 13,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner, Summit white in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Does have the chrome side mirrors here, chrome running boards, chrome handles. Got the window vent here. Driver's side of the vehicle is in really good shape. Make our way across the rear. One cool thing about these new Chevy trucks, it's got the step right here in the bumper. You're trying to get something out of the truck, simply just step in there. All right, makes it easy to hop in there, get in there. Really cool feature. All right, it's got the tow hitch, trailer hookup, rear view camera. All right, and it is a four-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything looks like it's in really good shape. And got the nice chrome bumper piece with the chrome trim. Really nice looking truck, only 13,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I got the black on black door panels, nice wood grain trim here, power locks, power windows. It's got the nice GMC rubber floor mats, black leather seats. All right, power driver seat. Driver seat's in good shape. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. And it does have remote start. All right, passenger seat leather looks good. No problems there. All right, it is an automatic. Got the nice wood grain trim around the transmission here. Heated seats. All right, there's your climate control area. AM, FM, XM ready. All right, backup camera will be there. We'll show you all that in a second. Leather wrap steering wheel, Bluetooth. All right, and steering wheel audio controls. And there's your four-wheel drive button right there. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. It has 13,985 miles on it. Now that we've got the truck turned on, go ahead and show you your information display center here. It does have navigation. Let's go ahead and engage that for you. All right, it does have backup camera. Let me get you back to your home screen. All right, it's got all these other apps on here: Pandora, weather, audio, phone, projection. A lot of different options to choose from. Traffic. Okay, we've had the AC going now since we turned the truck on. Everything blowing nice and cold there. Let's go ahead and hop in the back. Take a look at the back seat. Door panels are good. It's got the nice rubber floor mats back here as well. Back seat leather looks good. No issues back here. Pull this down, get your cup holder there. All right, now I'll get another shot from the other side. I know it's this black interior. It's kind of hard to see. All right, I'll show you all that in a second. Let's go ahead and give you a driver's eye view here of the dash and the layout. All right, everything looks really good there. Go ahead and take a look at the bed liner. It is a spray-in bed liner. Got the GMC logo back there. All right, nice tailgate with the hydraulic in there. It comes down real nice and slow. It doesn't slam down on you. All right, bed liner's in good shape. Let's go ahead and get this perspective over here of the back seat. Maybe get a little bit more light in here on that leather. And that should open it up. Make it a little bit easier to see, but the back seat's just perfect. Not even a wrinkle in it. Doesn't even look like anybody's even sat back here. Everything's really good shape there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the passenger seat as well. But as you can see, leather's in phenomenal shape. No problem at all. It does have the rubber floor mat over here. Door panels look good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, we've got, let's see what size this is. It's 18-inch chrome wheels. All right, almost a brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, it's been parked out on the grass, so this wheel's got a little bit of mud on it. Let's go over here, check out the tread over here, okay? As you can see, there's plenty of tread left on it. All right, once again, it's a 2016 GMC Canyon SLT. It's got 13,000 miles on it. It is a four-wheel drive, okay? Still under factory warranty. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Really great little truck here. Been well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. and thanks for watching the video.